a brick, but I think I got it. Okay, so I'm assuming this is nothing's really well labelled, but I'll see how it goes. It wasn't till I got home from Bunnings that I saw on the instructions that you need screenings or aggregate, which I have no idea what it is, but apparently it's gravel. So I don't want to have to go back to Bunnings to get that gravel. But I happen to see that we just have some here in our garden. So what I'm going to do is just pinch a little bit of that and put it in the bottom. Pretty happy with my work. I just need to wait 24 hours for the concrete to set, and then I can put the top part of the what is it, clothesline in there, and we can start washing. I'll shove this in there, but I probably should get the instructions just to make sure. Oh, a bit short. Oh shit. Oh dear. Oh. I guess because also it hasn't been 24 hours. Whew. So I didn't want to put too much pressure, like leaning it either way, because even though I was supposed to leave for 24 hours, it was probably more like 16. But anyway, look, it's in. Now I just got to unfold it. Voila.